Today we'll be taking another look at VeChain's VET coin, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see VeChain go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome back into VeChain's chart, guys, and as you can see, some good news has occurred over the past few days. This sort of downtrend that we were seeing here has officially been broken. You can see that over the past few days we have managed to break above that point of resistance, which has caused us a bit of grief in the past, trying to get past, of course, up there as well. But more recently, on the 27th, 28th of December, we tried to get through it. It did not occur. That means for us now, the trend we will be seeing is towards this point up here, hopefully our 99-cent $1 mark. So to put in place, I suppose, a little bit of movement, you can see that we are trending in that sort of a direction. It is relatively calm at this point in time. We're not seeing big moves, I'd suggest, but that is sort of the channel that we're seeing move upwards at this point. So it looks like I'd suggest that we're going to be trending in a relatively slow manner, given the fact that volume isn't too aggressive at this point in time. There's not much buying or selling action going on, but things are looking relatively positive for us right now, breaking that key point of resistance for us. Of course, also sitting above that 20-day moving average, which has been, I'd suggest, giving us a bit of grief trying to get out of this downtrend as well. So 20-day moving average currently sitting at 8.6 cents, whereas we're sitting, 86 cents, whereas we're currently sitting at 88 cents. So all in all, I think we're going to keep trending now up towards that key point of resistance at 99 cents in the near future. But let's take a look now at a few more indicators as well. MACD, grab that one. You can see we have been in a green period for an extended period of time. It did look like we were going towards the 12-day MA, crossing below the 26, but now both lines are trending upwards. We were, as you can see, hollowing out. Nice little green day as we've seen right here. Hopefully a bit of momentum comes in for us and we see some bigger sort of candles appear there. Now that would be really positive for us if we could have a green period that extended much like our previous, or even as long as this red period here. It would well and truly take us out of the, I suppose, downtrending momentum. What's really good is that at least at this point in time, we are now traveling in a sideways direction. So all in all, we aren't looking too shabby overall. RSI, let's have a quick look at that one. Bringing that one in there, still sitting relatively in the middle, 47.77, and that's typically what you're going to see when you have a trend in a horizontal direction now, because there is not more buyers than sellers. It's just trading in this sort of a manner. So overall, not much is going to change on the RSI front, but if we were to break out, there is plenty of headroom for us in order to do that. So all in all, what would my target for VeChain be over the next few weeks? Well, simply, I want to be targeting this 99-cent mark. Now, of course, we have now managed to eventually break our point of resistance here, and you can see we've just pumped up to 89 cents, looking relatively good, and we are moving towards this 99-cent mark in our little trajectory over here. Nice little uptrending short-term channel. Even looking down at the hourly as well, of course, you can see that it is looking really nice, and this is probably one of the most perfect patterns for traders, because you can clearly sort of anticipate when you're going to go up and when you're going to go down in these types of channels as well. So all in all, target for today is 99 cents. I want to see that within the next few weeks. That wraps up our analysis on VeChain's VET coin for today, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it down in the comments section below. Where do you think it will go in 2022? Of course, if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you do leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more of this sort of content. I'll leave it there for today, guys. Hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.